Remember your card. I'll show you the card. Pakita na sa camera. You remember your card? Remember his card? Sige, kaya ako pa ng isang call of you sa pass. Ay, ikaw. Ito ka macho-macho sa'yo. Kailan ulit? I'll label the card. Let's take up whenever you want. Okay. Ready? Go. Let's take up whenever you want. Bago mo open yung card. Ready? Go. Ready? Bago mo open. Ready? Go. Ikaw. Rachel. Tandaan mo yung card mo. This will be the second card. Yung your first card already. Tandaan niyo yung card niya. So, pahirapan natin yung sarili ko. Dalawang card yung mahanapin ko. Okay, take up whenever you want. Bago mo open yung card. Ready? Go. This will be your card. Pwede pakita ko sa camera? Remember your card? Sige, last na. Since ikaw yung original card. Pahirapan natin yung sarili ko. Tatlong card yung hanapin ko. Usually, isa lang eh. Gagawin natin sa kaya. Take up whenever you want. Bago mo ubos, basta. Ready? So, tandaan mo, card number 1. And I say, hindi! Card number 1. Card number 2. Card number 3. For card number 3, remember? Card number 3. Card number 3. Card number 3. Okay, ganito gawin natin. Ganito gawin natin. Ganito gawin natin. You remember your card? Ito gusto kong gawin mo. Point ko dito yung card mo. Right? Imagine your card. The number and the shoes. Imagine your card. Gusto ko yung flying kiss mo yung deck. Flying kiss. Your card number 2, right? Point the card onto the card. Okay? I want you to imagine your card. If it's a number, or if it's a person or picture card, I want you to imagine the color. The suit. Meron na? Gusto ko barilin mo yung card. Uy, walang tunog. Silencer. Sanay na siya rito. You will be doing the most powerful gesture sa magic. Cast a shadow. Cast mo ng shadow. One more time. You remember your card? So, anong ginawa nyo? Card number 1, flying kiss. Mabayero ka? Fine. Ito, action star. Binaril eh. I-imagine mo ba yung card habang nag-wave ka? You did that. Sige, ito gawin natin. Anong ginawa mo kanina? Flying kiss mo. Pag nag-flying kiss ka, yung tao o yung card o yung babae o yung DVD card, nakaka-flash. Pag merong may crush, ano nangyayari? Nagpa-flash? Anong kulay pa nagpa-flash? Oo ba na? Apparently, all the cards are color blue. Ha? All the cards are blue except for one card. Isa na mula. Nagkagusto sa'yo eh. Yan? Kinilig eh. Nagkagusto. For the very first time, can you tell me what was your card? Your card is? This your card is okay. Pero dahil nagkagusto sa'yo, nag-flying kiss ka, nag-kiss card mo.
Yun ba yun? Oo ba no? Sabi mo, isang kilo na.
Ikaw nito action star eh. Anong ginawa? Binaril mo? Binaril mo? Pag binaril mo yung tao, pag nagpunto ka ng baril, ninenervyos. If you get nervous, anong nagiging kulay? Namumutla. Namumuti? All the cards are blue. Right? All the cards are blue. Kanina may pula, di ba? And apparently, one of the cards turned white, namutla eh. Binaril mo eh. For the very first time, what was your card? Ace of? Is this your card? Eh, sharpshooter sa pool eh. Sharpshooter eh. Now, punta tayo sa'yo. Do you remember your card? Anong ginawa mong action?
Nagmadyong.
Ginanon mo siya. Alam mo kasi pag ginanon mo siya, ulitin mo nga. That's the most powerful gesture sa magic casting is shadow. Because of that gesture, all the cards turn black. All the cards turn black.
Pero lang yung sa kanya.
Tingnan natin, black lahat?
Oh.
Black na lahat siya.
O baka pasukan lang ako. Sarado mo. Baka pasukan lang.
Except for one card, is this your chosen card? Ganun kalakas, ang lakas. Alam mo, pinanakakatawa dyan? Nakakatawa yung sa'yo eh. Butas eh. Butas eh, di ba? Tapos yung isa, pinakagwapo. Sa'yo, may kiss mark sa'yo. This is the dead one. Kasi namumuti, di ba? Tapusin mo yung magic. Siya yung pinakakilala ko dito eh. Di ba? Open your hand. I'm going to put the 9 of spades in your hand. Ready? 9 of spades in your hand. Cover it with your other hand. For the last time, I'll be showing you dahil sa casting mo ng shadow, all the cards are blank. Tama? All the cards are blank because of your action. Except for one card, which is the 9 of spades. All the cards are blank. Up to the last. Now, ako nang tatapos, tayong dalawa tatapos sa magic. I'll cast the shadow. Pag malapit may casting na shadow, the card turn blank. Find out if that will happen to the 9 of spades.
My brain is broken!
Thank you. Pag TikTok ko na yun. Wala pa.